the potatoes are obviously integral to the Thanksgiving meal.
It's necessary.
We're giving them a bit of a twist. These are my 2 favorite ways to make them: a sweet potato and a new potato. And I'm gonna make you a smashed salt and vinegar potato. So I'm boiling my potatoes as you normally would, but I'm going to boil them with a cup of malt vinegar. Malt vinegar is super underrated here. It's what goes with the fish and chips.
Yes, but it's so good for...
So good.
So delicious.
It is.
So delicious a condiment.
So you don't want to forget also to salt your water. You're gonna bring your potatoes to a boil, and you're gonna boil them for about 15 minutes until they're just tender. You don't want to get them too soft.
Not too far because you're gonna squish them, right?
Correct. And here's my little trick. I take them out of the water and I put them in an ice water bath. It not only cools them down, but it's gonna help them crisp up later.
Yeah, so it's like they're going to a spa.
Correct.
First they take the hot tub, and then they cold shock like they're in Scandinavia. That's taking a dip in the icy
That
water.
is correct. They're in
Or
Scandinavia.
in upstate New York or Montreal.
True. Then you're gonna take them out of the water, pat them dry, and then using a towel and the heel of your hand, you're gonna smash.
This is so clever. I've always done it the Jacques Pepin way with the bottom of a little glass.
You don't even need to.
But this is so much quicker and easier.
Look at that.
Sorry, Jacques.
I mean, we love the man.
You and I are gonna now rip off Gail's idea here, right?
Here it is.
That's
and
a
it's
great
so
way
fast,
to squish.
no mess.
And then you just throw the dish towel in the washing machine.
That's exactly it.
Delightful.
So then, when you've done all of that, you're actually going
these
to
guys.
make a little mix. I have melted butter. By the way, I'm obsessed with this. This is
thank you.
genius. It clips right onto
You can
the
take
side.
it.
I may. I may just put it in my pocket. Melted butter, a little more malt vinegar, some pepper, and some chives.
Yum.
Mix them together, and I'm gonna baste all of my potatoes before I put them in the oven.
Talk about a spa day. Now they're getting moisturized.
Right, exactly. This is the facial moment. And then when you've basted them all on both sides, you put them right in the oven, and you're gonna roast them for about another 20 minutes. I think they're here.
You got some work in there, right?
Sure do.
And if you want this,
I do, of course it does. Hold on, I'm gonna go like that.
Yeah, they look like giant fat potato chips. Oh,
Taste these. Now, let me do the final moment. The final moment is that I'm going to put them on a tray, and I'm gonna baste and drizzle them just a little more. A final.
Except the one I'm eating.
Yeah, definitely not the. But you see how crispy they get, but they're creamy on the inside?
Oh my God.
That's the genius of the smash.
It's like a potato chip on steroids.
Yes. God, I like that. I like that. I'm gonna use that. And then you literally can just baste with a little more vinegar if you want them extra vinegary.
Oh my God, it's like in What About Bob when he just keeps going,
Yes, yes.
It's so delicious.
Some more chives. Beautiful.